And now let's go to Pauline Pascual of the Daily Tribune.
Hi guys, congratulations. Grabe naman the visuals. Okay, so speaking of, since we're Gen Z right now, and most of the time we're so busy, hustling, and everything in between, so how do you handle depression? Of course, mental health matters nowadays. So, what about your thoughts about that one?
Sorry, can you
Yung
repeat the
pag-handle
question?
mo
Yeah, how
ng
do you
ano?
handle mental health,
how do we-
especially you're starting your
Ah,
showbiz
okay.
career?
Everything,
Yeah.
yes.
I feel like just making sure that you're in a safe space. And for me, obviously, I'm very grateful na ABS, ABS makes sure that I'm always in a safe space when it comes to working, when acting, doing guestings. They really protect me, and I'm very grateful of that. And also being able to allow yourself to rest during rest days, giving yourself even 1 to 2 days a week of rest is good for your mental health.
Okay, what about you?
For me, it's about, well, of course, yes, very grateful to ABS also for, creating an environment for us to be safe and feel comfortable in, definitely. This year, I learned how to value more yung time management ko. I realized na pag kumikilos ka na mas may intention yung kilos mo, mas iniisip mo yung gusto mong gawin sa isang araw, you'll notice that there's more that you can accomplish in a day than you initially would. So that's one big learning I have for this year that's helped me and my mental health. And the last one would definitely be very similar to Angelina. It's value your rest. Number one is sleep. Sleep is very important. If you want to talk about yung kahalagaan ng mental health, mas mahalaga pa ang quality sleep because that's what gives you good mental health, I believe. And spend time with people that you value also. So don't always work. Pag may panahon ka or may oras ka na pwede ka magpahinga, you rest, whether you want to do it alone or you do it with your friends and family that you value.
Of course, guys, you're manifesting for more projects, teleseries, movies, and everything in between. So what about the genre? If you're given a chance, what type of genre do you plan for the both of you?
We've actually talked about this before.
Yeah, we did.
Angelina has a really interesting answer, so I'll let her go first.
I'll go first.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I mentioned this before just a while ago, but I'd really love to try doing a horror genre. Star Magic. I'd really love to do a horror genre, psychological thriller, or even slasher film, because that's my favorite genre to watch. Yun lang.
Cool, no?
Yeah.
I really, when we were talking about this, because this was a conversation that we asked, like in private before, and when she said that, I was like, oh nga, bagay, no? I didn't expect that you were gonna
Bagay.
say. I can imagine you scared, kasi I can imagine like how you'd look scared. Feeling ko it will do good.
May I just follow up on that? Bakit yun yung gusto mo?
I just grew up loving horror films.
Oh,
Because one of me and my family's bonding moments, yung mom and sisters ko, is to watch films, and that's mainly horror films. We enjoy it talaga.
So you would want to be like the one screaming, or do
The
you want to
one
be like the
screaming.
survivor type? Anong gusto mong
The
role?
one screaming. I want to try, crying out of fear,
ganun
or
level.
being the final girl, or even the one who turns out to be the murderer. I want to try that.
Paano kung ikaw yung naging monster?
Monster, yung manananggal.
May prosthetics,
Parang-
ganyan.
Wow, that's cool too. That's fun. That's exciting.
Pwede rin. Oo.
Okay, so one lang question na lang. So what about your first impression sa isa't isa? Nung first time yun nalaman na, okay, we're gonna be a love team, and then after that, meron ba nagbago along the way?
My initial impression of Angelina was that she was very quiet and friendly. And then, sa mga nagbago along the way, siguro, I realized na yung pagiging tahimik niya was not a way of her being guarded. Actually, she's very open and trusting as a person. Initially kasi syempre kapag hindi kayo masyadong komportable sa isa't isa, that that silence or yung pagiging tahimik will come off as a way na, oh, she's like shy or a little guarded. But as I got to know her, her being quiet, yung pagiging mahinhin niya, is just her way of moving, and that she's actually a very open, trusting, and very kind person.
It has nothing to do with you. It's really
Yeah,
just
yeah,
how
yeah,
she
yeah.
is.
Personal,
and
swear.
and it's not even like something na I felt na she's like guarded. It's just more like we're gonna be working together, and like I'm kind of a talkative guy, I guess. So it was more like how kaya can I get Angelina to be as open as I feel like I am, since she's quiet. But as we got to like work together, I realized, oh, like just because she's quiet doesn't mean that she's not open. She's very open and very generous with the work and all that. So, yeah.
How about you,
My
Angelina?
first impression naman kay Robbie is talkative.
Opposite.
He's very outgoing, but not in an annoying way naman. You know,
Thank you.
Pero may naman na. Not in annoying way
Yeah,
naman.
At least.
Swear. He's fun to talk to talaga. You know, he comes up with fun topics to talk about. So he's a fun person to talk to.
Okay, there you go. So, wait lang, balikan ko lang yung horror. Ano ba yun? Teka lang. may naikinig ako, hindi akin na. Okay. So anyway, balikan ko yung horror. Kasi kung mag-horror ka, ibig sabihin mag-horror din si Robbie. Robbie, hindi kita ma-imagine na sumisigaw. Paano sumigaw ang isang Robbie Jaworski?
Kaya ko naman. Malakas din naman ang boses ko.
Kasi ang malumanay niya magsalita di ba? Sobrang malumanay. Sige nga, isang sample nga ng sigaw.
Sigaw?
Oo, kunwari
Ang hirap
sigaw.
naman nun sa
Kunwari-
camera nito.
Kunwari may zombie or gulatin mo siya, Angelina.
Okay, ready. Ako pa yung nag-audition ngayon, hindi si Angelina, ha? Okay, game.
Paano sumigaw si Robbie? Okay, game.
So, paano to?
Lights,
You're gonna make me
camera.
gulat?
Gugulatin mo siya. Kunwari may monster. Okay. Lights, camera,
Tapos sigaw to? Sigaw?
Sigaw, kunwari magugulat ka. 3.
Okay.
Sana may mic.
Baka mabingi pa kayo mamaya. Wag na.
Sige,
No mic.
na lang.
Okay, lalayuin ko na lang.
Sige. Oo, ikaw yung monster.
Ikaw nga
Okay.
naging monster tuloy.
Di ba, dream mo to, Angelina, di ba? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Oh my gosh! Ang galing!
Okay ba?
Yeah! Parang
Nice,
nagulat
nice.
talaga siya. Ang cute. Oo. O si Angelina naman daw. O ikaw naman yung monster. Okay. Ito na yung audition mo kay Derek Lauren. Sabi mo gusto mo ng horror. Okay.
Ito na pala yung audition. Hindi ako nag-prepare.
Okay. Lights, camera, action. Wow!
Pwede, di ba?
Uy, palakpakan naman natin si Robbie and Angelina. Ang saya nun. Okay, ngayon punta tayo sa ating next question from Tin Bailon of pep.ph.
Hello guys. So
Hi.
may pressure ba sa inyo na yung mga netizens ang tingin is kailangan yung mahigitan o mapantayan yung mga nagawa ng parents nyo sa showbiz industry?
I like that question. There's always a certain type of pressure. Pero, ang sasabihin ko lang dyan, it's up to us naman kung paano namin tatanggapin yung pressure na yun. Kung gagamitin namin as a tool to inspire us and to work harder, or will it be something that will affect us and bother us? Syempre, trying to live up to her dad and my mom's shoes they're big shoes to fill, but at the same time, we are not our parents. We are our own people. And finding the passion and appreciation sa proseso ng trabaho and working together in our roles in Catherine and Edward sa Alabay, I think that was our main focus. That personally, I didn't feel that pressure in that way. Yeah, I chose to accept it as support. Yeah.
I agree 100% with everything that Robbie said. Our parents' shoes are big shoes to fill, but it's up to us if we want to use that pressure as something good, as something to motivate us, or as something to scare us. But for me, since I've been in the industry for quite a while, I've learned to use it as motivation instead.
Meron bang mga may reminders ba yung parents nyo sa inyo pagdating dun sa dito, pagpasok sa showbiz?
I feel like just be very consistent. Consistency is really key. Working hard, practicing, honing your talents. Yun lang.
Yeah, being present in the work. So, preparation. And then, one reminder na my mom, laging binibigay ng nanay ko sa akin is just be yourself. Whether people will receive that positively or negatively, be yourself. Mas okay na yon kaysa magkukunyari ka at magsisinungaling ka kung whatever. So, be yourself and then trust in God and work hard. That's her reminders.
Since nabanggit na ni Angelina yung pagpapractice, paano nyo pinapractice yung mga Tagalog lines nyo sa The Alibay na hindi nagtutunog konyo sa mga viewers?
Ginawa ko ba? But I feel like even at home, I try to speak Tagalog as much as possible. Sa mga sisters ko lang, it's a challenge kasi sobrang Inglesera sila. So sa mga kasambahay ko, sa mom ko.
On set.
On set, yes, on set. They have a rule for me. May rule sila sa akin na bawal mag-English sa set. So yun.
Robbie, ikaw?
Well, actually, ang role ko kasi dun sa teleserye ay konyo talaga. Rich kid. So, I didn't really have to do much adjustment with how I speak my Tagalog kasi tinanggap na ni Direk yung yung paraan ko at yung accent ko sa Tagalog nito eh. So sinabi niya bagay naman sa role. So thankfully I didn't have to adjust like Angelina did. Kung hindi, siguro mas lalo pa ako nahirapan. Pero kakayanin din naman.
Kung bibigyan ka ng project na pure Tagalog, yung mga lines, gigame ka ba sa challenge?
Actually, if you ask me, kung pure Tagalog siya, sure, mas mahirap siya kaysa kung sakali English yung script. Pero, kung mapapansin niyo over time, medyo diretso naman ako mag-Tagalog. Marunong naman ako mag-Tagalog, hindi naman ako masyadong hirap mag-Tagalog. Kaya, go lang, carry lang. Tatanggapin ko yan. Game.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tin. Actually, oo nga, kung papakinggan niyo si Robbie,
Oo.
malalim siya mag-Tagalog.
Mas magaling siya mag-Tagalog kaysa sa akin.
Malalim, oo. Okay, now let's go to Danielle Villapanto of Star Express.
Hola.
Hello, Robbie and Angelina. Meron ba kayong qualities or traits na na-discover sa isa't isa while shooting the series na surprised you in a good way and you ended up liking or respecting?
Angelina's sense of humor.
Ah.
For sure.
Paano yung sense of humor niya? Describe mo sa amin.
No, kasi, okay. Ako kasi, mabilis ako naiinip. So when I find ways to entertain myself, it's usually because I like to laugh. Lalong-lalo na kapag may nakikita akong mga laugh trip na reels on Instagram or TikTok. Or I like also mga dad jokes or sometimes dark humor.
Okay.
So, dati naalala ko, syempre yung biruan namin ni Angelina, ano pa lang, like, it's light lang.
Surface level.
Surface level.
Surface level.
Tapos, unti-unti sa cycle, parang, syempre, holding area, naghihintay kami. Karamihan ng mga eksena namin, magkasama kaming dalawa. So, when we're waiting, we're also there waiting. And I was like, I remember, I'm not gonna say the joke anymore or the reel. But then I remember, I was like, I'll try showing this kaya to Angelina. And when I showed it, thankfully, malakas yung tawa niya. So, nag-enjoy kami, nag-bonding din kami sa humor namin.
At least, naging magka-vibe yung ano nyo, yung humor nyo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say his humor then. I feel like every time I see that type of humor, I find you so I could show it to you. Because I know you like that type of
Yeah,
like that type of humor.
yung tipong may ginagawa, iba na yung ginagawa namin sa set or ibang unit or ibang location, magkatabi lang. Next thing you know, kapag malapit na kami sa isa't isa, yo, look at this, oh, look.
Cute.
And last question, masasabi niyo ba na you're much closer now than before? And ano yung naging bonding session niyo sa set na that helped you get closer and feel more at ease with each other?
Definitely. I definitely feel that we're closer now than before because we got to spend time together. We worked together for how many months?
4 months, I think.
4
that
months.
was,
We
yeah.
got to know each other more. And I'd say yung bonding moment, yun nga, yung pag-show ng IG Reels.
Yeah, well, for me naman, I'd say, honestly, the bonding moment talaga where we got to build the friendship and everything is through the work, through doing the scenes, through look tests where we had to look at each other in the eyes for 4 minutes straight without breaking, through supporting one another sa mabibigat na eksena kung saan kailangan ko umiyak or kailangan niya umiyak, the emotional support, being in character and, you know, working on the lines with each other kahit day off. It was those moments where I personally felt like we got closest. Kasi you get to know people also with how they work. And especially in this type of work where you really have to support one another to succeed.
Alright, thank
you.
you so much, Danielle Villapando.